When mustard coated fish meets banana leaf, something magical happens. Let's create this magic in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select steam mode followed by fish preset and press start. Add water to the cooking pot. Place the steaming basket over the pot. Cover with a special glass lid and allow it to create steam. For the mustard paste, in a bowl, combine fresh coconut bits, green chillies, haldi, soaked yellow mustard seeds, soaked small mustard seeds, salt to taste. Transfer this to a mixer jar and grind to a smooth and fine paste. Now for the marination, curd, mustard oil and mix well. Add the fish pieces and coat evenly with the paste. Let marinate for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now for the most important part. Take a banana leaf, place the marinated fish on it, wrap it from all the sides and seal the edges properly. Now place the wrapped fish onto the steaming basket and steam for about 15 minutes on high heat. Once it's done, carefully remove the fish from the steaming basket. Transfer to a serving plate and serve hot with steamed rice and fresh salad. मस्टर्ड का पंच एंड सॉफ्ट फिश, यही तो है फिश पटूरी का असली मैजिक. मेड विद द न्यू फिलिप्स OneChef. It's all you need.